Hi, I'm Michael Seiler. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at ProAlliance in Issaquah, Bellevue, and Redmond. I did a sports medicine fellowship, and that's mostly what I practice, which is mostly shoulders and knees. I take care of shoulder instability, to rotator cuff tears, to shoulder replacements and arthritis of the shoulder, and then knee take care of meniscus tears and ACL tears and reconstructions and knee replacements and arthritis in knees. So full gamut of knee and shoulder care and other sports medicine injuries in addition. So I approach taking care of patients to treat them like I would want to be treated or want my family to be treated. Treat with respect, listen to what they have to say. If you listen well enough, patients will oftentimes give you great clues about what their problem is. Do a thorough physical exam, that's usually very helpful. Order whatever imaging is needed. And then really the biggest piece of the care for patients is explaining to them what their problem is, what their treatment options are. Sometimes there's more than one way to treat things, and what the outcomes and expectations would be of that, so that patients can be really informed of their progress. And I think it helps patients buy into doing the physical therapy and doing the rehab things, knowing that that's what's going to help make their problem better if that's the path chosen, and really trying to be a partner with them and really explaining them well so they really understand the scope of their problem and how to make it better. So I went to medical school here at the University of Washington. I grew up here locally, so I'm a local Northwest boy. I did my residency training there and spent a year on the faculty. And after that, I did a sports medicine fellowship at the Steadman Hawkins Clinic in Colorado. I got to take care of NFL football players, tennis professionals, US ski team events, and got to cover some of those events, which was a lot of fun. And then since I've come back home to practice here in the Puget Sound area and I've worked here, I've been very lucky. I've gotten some awards. I believe for about 10 years I've gotten the Top Doc Award from the Seattle Met magazine. I was the only physician chosen as the top doctor 2 years ago, I think, at the 425 magazine. So it's been nice to see just taking good care of patients, taking care of people like I would with my family, explaining things, letting people make choices in their care, that's been recognized, and it makes me feel good about the care we're providing here in our office. Something I've heard from my friends when I've taken care of them or taken care of my friends' friends that they send to me because they know what I do for a living is that I consistently hear from my patients and my friends that they felt that they really had a good explanation. They've really heard what their problem is and really heard what their options are so that they can make an informed choice. I think that's really important, that the patient knows their problems and knows what their choices are and can be involved in their choices for their care. And that's something I've heard consistently from friends and patients over the years. One of the things that makes our team here at ProAlliance special is that the doctors and our staff care about patients. I obviously take care of a limited number of things, shoulders, knees, sports medicine things. I have partners that do foot and ankles. I have partners that do spine, that do hand care. And the wonderful thing is our group has the spectrum of care of all those different body parts and different disease processes. And my partners are good, they're technically good, they care about their patients, they'll listen to them. And my own kids have needed two of my partners to deal with their different injuries over the years and have gotten wonderful care. And it's really nice to know that my partners will take great care of them and our whole group will take care of holistically your family and different needs within that group based on what the subspecialty needs are of that patient. So if your shoulder hurts, your knee hurts, you can't run, you can't play tennis, you can't sleep on your shoulder at night, you're uncomfortable, please come see us at ProAlliance. We'll take great care of you, treat you like we would family, and get you going one way or the other, whether it's therapy or surgery or injections or the different forms of treatment we have. And we'll take great care of you and get you back on the road to being improved.